Hello there, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to prevent those pesky international calls from disrupting your day, you're in the right place. Blocking international calls on your iPhone can help you avoid unwanted charges and distractions. Here is a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, contact your carrier. Why should you do that? Blocking international calls typically requires assistance from your carrier, as it's a network level feature. How do you do this? Call your customer service number, request to block all outgoing international calls. Some carriers might also allow you block incoming international calls. Follow the specific instructions or settings they provide. Next, use do not disturb mode. Why should you do that? While this won't specifically block international calls, you can set it up to only allow calls from your contact, which might help you if most of your contacts are local. And how do you go about it? Open the setting app, tap on focus or do not disturb in older iOS version. Select personal under focus and click on people. Then you click on the add button, a cross sign. This will take you to your contact list and you can always select the number you want to block from here. Next, you can block specific numbers. Why should you do that? If you receive frequent unwanted calls from certain international numbers, blocking them individually can be effective. How do you go about it? Open the phone app, go to the recent tab and find the number you want to block. Tap the eye icon next to it, scroll down and select block this caller. You can also use a third-party app like the Truecaller, which can help you identify and block spam calls, including international ones. And that's it, guys. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and block international calls on your iPhone. Stay connected only to those who matter and keep your phone bill in check. Thank you for tuning in and I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.